Welcome back. Today I'm revealing the top 7 passive income streams for 2025 that actually work. I'm breaking down each one step by step so you can start building income that flows into your bank account 24/7. This isn't theory. These are actionable strategies you can implement right now. Whether you want something simple or a method that can scale to thousands a month, I've got you covered. Get ready to take notes. Your journey to earning money while you sleep starts now. If you're excited, smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on future financial tips. Let's dive in. First up, the easiest passive income stream: high-yield savings accounts. Forget your old bank's tiny interest rates. Online banks now offer rates 20, 30, even 50 times higher. Open an account online in minutes, deposit your cash, and watch your money grow with zero effort. For example, $10,000 in a regular account might earn you $1 a year. In a high-yield account at 4.5%, that's $450, just for parking your money smarter. These accounts are FDIC insured up to $250,000, so your money is safe. No fees, no minimums, just free money. It's the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it strategy, and the foundation for any passive income plan. Research the best high-yield savings accounts for 2025 and move your idle cash today. This is your first step to making your money work for you. Now let's move on to something with even more earning potential. Start simple, but start now. Don't let your cash sit and lose value. Next up, getting paid just for owning stuff. With your savings working for you, let's take things up a notch and talk about dividend-paying stocks and ETFs. One of the simplest ways to earn money just by owning assets. When you own shares in companies like Apple or Coca-Cola, you're not just a shareholder, you're a part owner. These companies pay out dividends, which are your share of their profits, simply for holding onto their stock. It's like getting a thank you check every few months for being invested. Want an even easier way? Consider dividend-focused ETFs. These funds bundle dozens, sometimes hundreds of reliable companies together and pay you dividends quarterly. It's a hands-off way to get exposure to many strong businesses at once. The real magic happens when you reinvest those dividends automatically. This creates a compounding snowball effect. Your income and investment both grow over time, without you lifting a finger. And here's the best part. You don't need thousands of dollars to get started. Many platforms now let you buy fractional shares, so you can invest with just a few bucks and still get your piece of the pie. The key is consistency. Set up automatic investments, contribute regularly, and hold for the long term. Over time, those dividends will start to stack up, and your portfolio will grow steadily. This is a proven strategy for building wealth and generating passive income, used by millions of investors around the world. To get started, open a brokerage account, pick a solid dividend ETF or a few strong dividend stocks, and start small. Even $10 or $20 a week can add up over time. As the months and years go by, those quarterly payments can grow into a serious income stream. Money you can use, reinvest, or save for the future. Of course, there's always some risk in investing, but by focusing on established companies and diversifying your holdings, you can help smooth out the ups and downs of the market. Remember, your HISA is your safety net for emergencies, while dividend investing is your engine for long-term growth and wealth. So why wait? Start building your portfolio today, even if it's just one share at a time. The checks keep coming, quarter after quarter, year after year. With patience and consistency, your passive income will keep growing. Let's keep building. Next up, real estate investing, but without the headaches of being a landlord. Real estate is a classic wealth builder, but who wants to deal with tenants or huge down payments? Enter real estate crowdfunding. Invest in properties with as little as $10 or $100 through platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul. Pool your money with others to own a slice of income-producing properties. No landlord duties required. Earn passive income from rental payments and property appreciation, all managed by professionals. Diversify across different projects and locations with just a few clicks. It's never been easier to get into real estate without the traditional barriers. There are risks. Real estate is less liquid and returns aren't guaranteed, so diversify and use reputable platforms. But for hands-off, passive income, this is a game changer. You get the benefits of property ownership without the headaches. Add real estate crowdfunding to your passive income arsenal. It's a powerful way to grow your wealth. Ready for something even more automated? Let's talk about building a business that runs itself. Next up, automated e-commerce. Imagine owning a store that never closes, never takes a break, and works for you around the clock. Welcome to the world of automated e-commerce, where your business is always open, even while you sleep. With dropshipping, you can sell a huge variety of products online without ever needing to buy or store inventory yourself. You simply list items in your store and focus on marketing and customer experience. When a customer places an order, your supplier handles everything, picking, packing, and shipping the product directly to your buyer's doorstep, no matter where they are in the world. This means you enjoy low startup costs, zero inventory risk, and with automation tools, most of the daily tasks are handled for you. You can manage your business from anywhere at any time. Or, if you're creative, try print on demand. Just upload your unique designs to services like Printful, and they'll print, pack, and ship custom products like t-shirts, mugs, or posters whenever someone orders. You can sell on your own branded website or tap into massive marketplaces like Etsy and Amazon. Every sale you make is almost pure profit, since you only pay for products after you've already been paid. The real secret to success? Find a passionate niche, an audience with a specific interest or need, and create products tailored just for them. This helps you stand out and build a loyal customer base. Set up your store, automate your marketing with tools like email campaigns and social media ads, and let the sales roll in, even while you're asleep or on vacation. It does take effort and planning up front, but once your system is running, it's like having a global vending machine that rarely needs your attention, serving customers worldwide 24/7. Keep adding fresh ideas and new products, and your store can keep growing and earning, adapting to trends and customer feedback. Whether you're creative or business-minded, automated e-commerce lets you monetize your skills, ideas, and strategies with minimal ongoing effort. It's scalable, flexible, and can run with very little oversight, giving you the freedom to work from anywhere and enjoy a more flexible lifestyle. Are you ready to create something once and sell it over and over again, building streams of passive income that grow with time? Let's take the next step and explore digital products and online courses, where your knowledge and expertise become your most valuable assets. This is where you can truly scale, create once, sell forever, and reach people all over the world. Ready to unlock your potential? Let's go. Digital products and online courses are the ultimate scalable income stream. Create an ebook, template, music track, or course once, and sell unlimited copies with zero extra cost. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Amazon KDP make it easy to sell your knowledge or creativity. Identify a skill or passion others want to learn, package it as a digital product. The hardest part is creating it, but once it's live, sales can come in for years. Automate marketing with email lists and social media, and let the platforms handle delivery and payments. Even a simple $19 ebook can add up fast. Sell 10 a month, that's $190. Sell 100, that's $1,900. No inventory, no shipping, just pure profit. You don't even need your own website. Use existing marketplaces to reach buyers. Leverage your time and expertise for unlimited returns. Everyone has something valuable to share. In 2025, it's easier than ever to turn your knowledge into passive income. Ready to become the bank? Let's talk peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending lets you act like a bank. Lend money directly to individuals or small businesses online and earn interest. Platforms like Lending Club connect you with borrowers, often offering higher returns than savings accounts. You can invest as little as $25 per loan, spreading your risk across hundreds of borrowers. The platform handles payments and deposits your share of principal and interest automatically. Reinvest your earnings to compound your returns. Returns can range from 5% to 10% or more depending on risk. Diversification is key. Never put all your money in one loan. There's risk. These aren't FDIC insured, and some borrowers may default. But with smart diversification, P2P lending can be a steady, hands-off income stream. It's a modern way to generate cash flow and help others at the same time. Add it to your passive income mix for even more stability. Now, let's look at the future AI-powered content creation. This is where things get really exciting. The future of passive income is here. AI-powered content creation is changing the game for entrepreneurs and creators everywhere. With advanced AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney, you can now generate blog posts, engaging videos, stunning artwork, and so much more at lightning speed, all from the comfort of your home. Imagine starting a niche blog or a YouTube channel and letting AI handle the heavy lifting, research, drafting, even image and video creation, so you can focus on your vision and ideas. Your main job: edit, add your unique voice, and publish high-quality content faster than ever before. AI gives you a head start, but your creativity makes it shine. Monetize your content with ads, affiliate marketing, or by selling your own digital or physical products. The possibilities are endless when you combine AI with smart business strategies. The more content you create, the more traffic and income you generate. AI lets you scale your efforts like never before, reaching bigger audiences in less time. Use AI to write detailed product reviews, craft engaging social media posts, or design unique print-on-demand products for your online store. But remember, always add your personal touch. AI is your assistant, not your replacement. Your insights and experiences are what set your content apart. Google and other platforms reward quality, human-edited content. The best results come from blending AI efficiency with your own expertise. Embrace AI as your business partner and multiply your output, creativity, and earning potential. This is the new frontier of online business, where technology and human creativity work hand in hand. With just a little learning and experimentation, you can build multiple income streams faster than ever before and adapt to new opportunities as they arise. AI is your superpower for building passive income in 2025 and beyond. The sooner you start, the more you can achieve. Now let's wrap it up and get ready to launch your AI-powered business journey. There you have it, the top 7 passive income streams for 2025. From high-yield savings to AI-powered content, financial freedom is more accessible than ever. Pick one idea, learn everything you can, and take action today. The journey to making money while you sleep starts now. If you found this valuable, hit like and subscribe for more. Comment below, which passive income stream are you most excited to try? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.